Hello guys, welcome to this episode, this series. So today we're gonna learn how to set up your system to be able to run C++ code. So what you need to do is to go to winlib.com and download and scroll down and download this Windows 64 zip archive. Download it, I already downloaded it. This is it. You unzip it. I already unzipped it. I already did that, but like you unzip it, you use whatever zip file archiver you have in your system. So when I unzipped it, this is the folder that came out. So when you unzip it, you have something like this, and then you click inside, you'll see this. You go in, you will see all this. You copy the part of the bin, you click bin, and then press copy part, copy as part. Yeah. Then you open your system environment variables. Click environment, edit system, edit the system environment variables. Open it. Yeah, it's going to require some permission. And then you edit variables. At the down part, which is the system variables, you scroll down and look for part. I can't find part. Okay, yeah, this is it. You go into part and then new and just paste that there. You remove make sure, very important, remove the apostrophe that like Windows automatically added for you. This movie has to just be plain part without those, I don't know how to say those apostrophe here. Comparable. You know what I mean? So click OK, click OK, and OK. Then that's all. That's basically it. Open any Windows terminal, any CMD or PowerShell or whatever you use in your system. This is PowerShell, and then to confirm if it's installed, you do GCC. Yeah, we already have it in our system. That's the version. G++, that's the version. I think I can still compress a Hello World program inside this tutorial. Stay out time. It's not actually push you. Hang on. So yeah, I'm gonna be using VS Code. The download and installation of VS Code is very simple, straightforward. But what I would only advise is for you to, in the extension, if you have not look for search for C++, the first thing that comes out, and not is actually not the first. Yeah, this C++ IntelliSense stuff here. Install it. I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna install it. So yeah, let me just write a simple C program. Don't bother about the syntax. Don't worry about the syntax. We'll have foundation course for that. If you are not already familiar with C++ syntax, I will make something for that. You bring in your input output library, and then your main. Just don't worry about all this. I just want to show you syntax. So like yeah, you have your library to be able to print in and out of the standard input output stream. You need IO stream, input output stream. That's to print, and it's not like Python or other language where you just write print without this one. You're actually dealing going very low level, close to low level, not actually low level, but like yeah, middle level. So UI standard, see out, hello world, hello world, and I'm just add a line breaker here to make it look good. All these Windows IntelliSense stuff, don't bother about them. Just make sure you save, and then open your terminal. Open your terminal, and then do G++ to compile to get the executable file. G++ minus O, that's for output. The output, let me call it run, and then test, that's the file you want to run. And then just enter. Compiling is gonna compile and give us our output. I don't mean to take this amount of time, but I'm running a lot of stuff in my system now. So yeah, if you check here, we have this run.exe as the executable file. Now you execute it, and voila, hello world. Yeah, hello world in C++. That's basically it. So we're good to go. Thank you for watching. From the next sessions, we'll be going deeper into more interesting stuff of more interesting sections of this very interesting, very powerful, very useful language. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Refer me to your friends. See you in the next one.